Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we'll explore the project overview section. Here, we have a project. First of all, to add the project overview section, click on the plus button. From here, click on Add next to Overview, and this is our project overview section. At the top, you'll see the project completion percentage, and here you'll see project start and end dates. Below that, we have the project description. You can modify the description from here. Below the description, you'll find all the goals connected to this project. Currently, there are 3 goals connected. To connect more goals, click on the plus button. You can search for a specific goal or pick one from the list. Let's select this goal and click Add. As you can see, we've added a new goal. Further down, we have a list of connected portfolios. This project is currently connected to 2 portfolios. To add this project to more portfolios, click on the plus button. Here you'll see a list of all the portfolios. Simply click on the portfolio name and hit Add. As you can see, we've just added this project to another portfolio. Below the portfolios, we have connected documents. To connect a new document, click on the plus button. You'll see a list of all documents. You can scroll down to see the complete list. Select a document and click Add, and our document is added. If we scroll to the top, on the right side, we have the task summary. It shows the total number of tasks in this project, how many tasks are overdue, and how many tasks are incomplete. Below the task summary, we have the Ask AI button. When you click on this button, you'll see this pop-up window where AI provides suggestions, and you can also ask any questions related to the project. Simply select your preferred AI module and type your question, then hit Enter. AI will analyze the project and provide an answer. Here's our answer. We can close the pop-up now. That's how you can use Overview section in projects. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.